In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import journal entries in Odoo 18. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can confidently get to the right place in your Odoo database and prepare to bring in your accounting data. Even though these actions are simple, it's important to know exactly where to click, especially if you're new to Odoo or to the accounting app. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo 17 environment and you're on the main dashboard where all your applications are displayed. From here, look for the accounting app icon. This is the entry point for anything related to your financials: invoices, bills, bank statements, and of course, journal entries. Go ahead and click on Accounting to open the module. Once the accounting module is open, you'll see the main accounting workspace. Depending on your configuration, this could show you an overview, dashboards, or menus along the top or side. What you want to do now is focus on the menu that gives you access to your accounting records. In that menu, find and click on the section labeled Accounting Again. This brings you deeper into the accounting features, where you can manage more detailed records. After you've clicked into the accounting section, you should now see options related to different types of accounting documents and reports. Look for the option called Journal Entries. This is where Odoo stores all the individual entries that make up your general ledger, debits, credits, and all the adjustments that keep your books accurate. Click on Journal Entries to open the full list. You'll now be on the main Journal Entries list view. Here, you can see existing entries, filter them, group them, or create new ones manually. But since our focus is on importing entries, we need to access the configuration options for this list. To do that, look towards the top right area of the screen for the small gear icon or settings icon. This icon usually opens additional tools and options specific to the page you're on. Click on that gear icon or settings button. This is typically where you'll find options related to importing data, exporting, or tweaking how the list is displayed. In many Odoo setups, this is where the import feature becomes available, allowing you to bring in journal entries from a file, such as a CSV or Excel spreadsheet, following Odoo's template. And that's the navigation you need: opening the accounting app, going into the accounting section, accessing journal entries, and then using the gear icon to reach the settings related to imports. Once you're comfortable reaching this area, you will be ready to proceed with preparing and importing your journal entry file into Odoo 17.